In this example, the design intent was for this cylinder to be vertical, but if we look at it from some different orientations, we see that it's not vertical but actually at an angle. And so beginners tend to not use the move command correctly. And so let's go back to the beginning. So I'm going to drag the timeline back. And so originally the model was sketched on the XZ plane, and maybe we want this cylinder to go along the Z axis. So we could simply right click on that sketch and select redefine the sketch plane, and I'll select this plane and I'll say OK, and now we see that that cylinder is going along the Z axis. If there was a reason though that we really wanted to do move, though, we see that in order to get this along the Z axis we'd have to rotate around the X axis. So I will do move, and I'll select the body to move, and I've got it on rotate, and so you may need to make that change to put it on rotate, or you could rotate right here, but I'm going to not accidentally move it along any translation axis. So I'll do rotate, and it says to select the axis you want to rotate about. I'll tell it I want to rotate about the Z axis, I mean the X axis, and I put in 90 degrees, and so there we see it, a way of using move to get that along the Z axis. Now a better way is probably to use component joints, assembly joints, because as we put a part like this into an assembly, it may be like this, it could be in any different orientation, and that's where assembly joints come in play.